Chapter 1: Heroes of the Solar System. There are many planets in space, but today we're going to take a closer look at the most interesting ones in our solar system. Let's start with our closest neighbour, Mercury. Chapter 2: Mercury, the close guardian of the Sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Its surface is covered with craters, and the temperature difference between day and night is enormous. During the day, it gets incredibly hot, reaching up to 430 degrees Celsius, while at night it becomes freezing cold, dropping to 180 degrees Celsius. Mercury has no atmosphere, so meteorites crash into its surface, creating large craters. From space, Mercury's surface looks a lot like the Moon. Chapter 3: Venus, the planet of the goddess of love. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Its thick and toxic atmosphere makes its surface as hot as an oven, with average temperatures reaching up to 470 degrees Celsius. Venus's atmosphere is mostly composed of carbon dioxide and is covered with sulfuric acid clouds. This dense atmosphere creates immense pressure on Venus's surface. Although Venus is the closest planet to Earth, the conditions on its surface make it very difficult for life to exist. Chapter 4: Earth, our home. And here is Earth. The wonderful planet we live on is the only planet that supports life. With its blue oceans, green forests, and diverse array of living beings, it is truly a miracle. Earth's atmosphere is rich in oxygen and nitrogen, providing breathable air necessary for life. The surface of Earth is constantly shaped by geological processes such as plate tectonics and erosion. These dynamic processes make Earth a constantly changing planet. Chapter 5: Mars, the red planet. Mars is known for its red colour, which is caused by iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Scientists believe that there was once water on Mars, and that there might even be traces of life. Mars has massive volcanoes, deep valleys, and vast desert plains. Olympus Mons is the largest volcano and the highest mountain in the solar system. The Valles Marineris on Mars is much larger than the Grand Canyon on Earth. Maybe one day, humans will travel to Mars and establish new colonies there. Chapter 6: Jupiter, the giant planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is so big that 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter's atmosphere is mostly composed of hydrogen and helium. It has a massive magnetic field, creating a giant radiation belt around the planet. The Great Red Spot is one of Jupiter's most notable features. This giant storm has been raging for hundreds of years and is twice the size of Earth. Jupiter has 79 moons, the largest of which, Ganymede, is the biggest moon in the solar system. Chapter 7: Saturn, the Lord of the Rings. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. These rings are made up of ice and dust particles, giving Saturn its unique appearance in the sky. The rings are composed of countless small particles, each orbiting around Saturn. Saturn's atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, and it contains giant storms. Saturn has 82 moons, the largest of which is Triton. Triton is the only moon with a thick atmosphere, and it has lakes of liquid methane on its surface. Chapter 8: Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants. Uranus and Neptune are the most distant planets in the solar system, and they are called ice giants. Uranus rotates on its side, with an axis tilted at 90 degrees. The blue-green color of Uranus comes from methane gas in its atmosphere. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is known for its stunning blue color. Neptune's atmosphere is filled with strong winds, the fastest in the solar system. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, has geysers and orbits in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. Chapter 9. Future Adventures. There is so much more to learn about these amazing planets in our solar system. Who knows, maybe one day you will embark on adventures in space. In the future, human missions to Mars, the search for life on Jupiter's moons, and closer examination of Saturn's rings are just some of the exciting adventures that await us. Our space adventure ends here for today. We explored the mysterious worlds of the planets and can't wait to learn more.